When you think of a truly impressive dog, one breed almost immediately comes to mind, a symbol of intelligence, loyalty, and unwavering dedication. They are protectors, partners, and family members. They are the heroes on four paws that serve in the military, police, and as beloved companions worldwide. We're talking about the magnificent German Shepherd. But what makes this breed so exceptional and often so misunderstood? Is their legendary intelligence a blessing or a challenge? Are they the perfect protector, or do they demand more than the average dog owner can give? Today, we're going to uncover the truth behind the German Shepherd and explore why they capture hearts and command respect. Stick with me. Fun facts, from herding sheep to heroic deeds. The German Shepherd's story begins in 19th century Germany, specifically in 1899, when Captain Max von Stephanitz set out to create the ultimate herding dog. He envisioned a dog with unmatched intelligence, strength, and utility. His ideal was a dog that could work tirelessly, think independently, and be a loyal companion. From these foundations, the modern German Shepherd was born. During World War I, their bravery and intelligence were quickly recognized, and they became indispensable as military dogs, carrying messages, locating wounded soldiers, and serving as sentries. Their versatility knows no bounds. Today, you'll find them as police canines, search and rescue heroes, detection dogs, service dogs, and, of course, devoted family protectors. They've proven time and again that their minds are as impressive as their strength. Characteristics. The intelligence behind the intensity. The German Shepherd's defining trait is their unparalleled intelligence and strong work ethic. They are often described as having a human-like understanding. This means they are highly trainable, capable of learning complex commands and tasks with remarkable speed. However, this intelligence comes with a caveat. They need a job. If not given sufficient mental and physical stimulation, a German Shepherd can become bored, anxious, and destructive. They thrive on purpose. Beyond their sharp minds, they are incredibly loyal to their families, often forming a deep, protective bond. They can be reserved with strangers, which is part of their guarding nature, but should never be aggressive without cause. Their courage is legendary, and their devotion is absolute. Essential care. The German Shepherd Owner's Handbook. Owning a German Shepherd is a significant commitment that comes with specific care needs: exercise, mental and physical. These are not couch potatoes. They require substantial daily exercise, long walks, runs, hikes, and plenty of playtime, but just as important is mental stimulation. Obedience training, puzzle toys, and advanced commands are crucial to keep their intelligent minds engaged. Early socialization and training. Given their protective instincts and power, early and consistent socialization is non-negotiable. Expose them to various sights, sounds, people, and other dogs from a young age. Professional training is highly recommended to harness their intelligence and ensure they become well-adjusted, confident adults. The double coat and shedding. German Shepherds have a thick double coat that sheds year-round, with heavier blowouts twice a year. Regular brushing 2 to 3 times a week is essential to manage shedding and keep their coat healthy. Prepare for dog hair. Health considerations. Like many large breeds, they are prone to certain health issues, including hip and elbow dysplasia, bloat, and degenerative myelopathy. Choosing a reputable breeder who screens parent dogs for these conditions is vital. Why are they so admired and sometimes misunderstood? Why do German Shepherds hold such a special place in our hearts, even if they sometimes get a bad rap? Because their capacity for loyalty and their desire to protect their family are unparalleled. They are fiercely devoted, often referred to as Velcro dogs, because they want to be by your side. Their presence alone can be a deterrent, offering a sense of security unmatched by many other breeds. While their size and intensity might intimidate some, those who truly know German Shepherds understand their gentle soul and playful spirit underneath the serious exterior. They challenge you to be a better dog owner, and in return, They give you a partnership built on trust and mutual respect. Think carefully before getting a German Shepherd. Before you fall for those intelligent eyes and bring a German Shepherd into your life, consider these critical questions. Do you have experience with powerful, intelligent breeds? First-time dog owners might find them overwhelming. Can you commit to extensive daily exercise and mental stimulation? A bored German Shepherd can be destructive and difficult to manage. Are you ready for continuous training and socialization throughout their life? This isn't a set-it-and-forget-it breed. Are you prepared for shedding and potential health issues common to large breeds? Do you want a dog that bonds deeply and becomes your shadow? They are not independent backyard dogs. If your answers are a resounding yes, then you might just be ready for the incredible journey of owning a German Shepherd. The German Shepherd is more than just a dog. They are an experience. They are a test of dedication and a reward of unparalleled loyalty. They challenge us to rise to their level of intelligence and commitment, and in doing so, they enrich our lives in ways we never imagined. They are not just guardians, they are family. Do you have a German Shepherd? What's the most amazing thing they've ever done? Share your stories and tips in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, please give it a like, subscribe for more breed spotlights, and share it with every dog lover you know. Until next time, stay vigilant and stay loyal.